Modern IT environments no longer live in one place. They stretch across clouds, data centers, virtual machines, containers, networks, and SaaS applications. This flexibility accelerates innovation, yet it quietly introduces a deeper operational problem. When infrastructure fragments, visibility erodes, and teams lose clarity on performance and usage. Dependencies become harder to trace, and incidents take longer to diagnose. Security risks slip between disconnected systems. Cloud costs rise without a clear explanation. Hybrid infrastructure visibility helps restore that lost control. It consolidates infrastructure intelligence from every platform into a single, reliable source of truth. It gives IT teams real-time awareness of asset health, configuration accuracy, service relationships, and emerging risks. It brings context to every decision and replaces manual investigations with actionable insight. With a unified view, IT leaders resolve issues faster, improve capacity planning, strengthen compliance posture, and cut unnecessary spend. Hybrid visibility is becoming a core foundation of modern IT management. It keeps environments stable in the present, makes them predictable, and prepares them for change over time.